Dear viewers, welcome to the hidden section of Superhero Switch Up. Get ready to witness their incredible abilities, tripping, spilling and entangling themselves in hilarious situations. It's time to unveil their not-so-great and wonderful moments. Even the Dark Knight has his clumsy moments. Watch as Batman struggles with the simplest task in his perfectly polished domain. Will he conquer the shoelace nemesis or succumb to the tangle of perplexity?
The Joker may be my archenemy, but the real challenge lies in conquering these infernal shoelaces. Alfred, I need a bat slippers upgrade.
In the realm of culinary exploits, even superheroes face flour-filled fiascos. Watch as Wonder Woman's baking adventure becomes a comical cloud of chaos. Will Catzilla resist the urge to pounce on the floury wonder?
I may have defeated Ares, but this cake seems determined to conquer me. Perhaps I should stick to lassoing villains instead of baking.
Catzilla, meowing innocently, as if plotting mischief, meow. The flowery cloud makes the perfect camouflage for my sneak attacks. Wonder Woman, prepare for the cutest flower fight ever.
In the realm of superhero relaxation, even the fastest man alive encounters spills and thrills. Witness the Flash's caffeine catastrophe as he inadvertently transforms his suit into a Java masterpiece. Will he find a solution at lightning speed or embrace his newfound coffee couture?
They don't call me the Flash for nothing. I can brew coffee and wear it as fashion simultaneously. Who needs a cape when you have a coffee-stained suit?
Behold, the Man of Steel's not-so-super hairstyling skills. Watch as Superman's attempt at a flawless coif turns into a follicular fiasco. Will he tame his unruly hair or embrace the super-crushed look?
I can withstand the force of a speeding locomotive, but my hair seems to be my ultimate nemesis. Maybe I should just embrace the Clark Kent tousled look.
In the realm of superheroic spaghetti mishaps, Spider-Man swings into action. Watch as he navigates a web of culinary chaos. Will he save the plate or find himself in a tangled mess of tomato sauce?
With great power comes great responsibility. To clean up a kitchen covered in spaghetti. Looks like I'll be swinging from the chandelier for dinner tonight.
So our superhero switch-up ends, leaving us laughing through apartment walls. Remember, even the mightiest of heroes have their own wonderfully human and humorous adventures. Until the humor escapes next up, laughter may be your superpower.